we're not trying to replace you with AI. It augments you and makes you a lot more efficient and allows you to do a lot more and turn back to your patients. It needs a human.
Hey guys, it's Kyle Summerford here, president of DOMA, and we are here with our DOMA Influence Alliance member, Monica Cappelli.
Hello.
Monica, you spoke today at our amazing conference.
Yeah.
And by the way, you did an amazing job.
Thank you.
The audience loved you, they were engaged. So if you wouldn't mind, I would love for you to share with our audience here what you thought about today's event.
I thought it was fantastic. The audience really was engaged, got lots of great feedback, asked great questions, participated well. The facility is really great. And honestly, the idea is great, just bringing CE locally where people can reach it really easily in small groups. I think you learn more that way. We had a lot of opportunities for hands-on activities and lunch. I mean, come on, what can you ask for?
Yeah, I mean, look, I sat here and, you know, insurance is a hard topic to like really get office managers excited about, but it's a need, right?
Much so.
Every practice needs to generate revenue and they need to figure out those nuances and how to navigate, and you did an amazing job with that.
I have to tell you, one of the things I noticed is the people who will come to something like this need it. And I appreciate having an audience of people who really want to hear and are open to learning and I know that everyone took something home that they're going to implement. And that's my whole goal, is to help them figure out something that'll work for the next thing they face on Monday.
Yeah, Monday.
Monday's coming.
Monday's coming. Monday comes, it comes every week, right? And so, you know, the challenges of, again, navigating insurance and figuring out how to get paid for services that we're doing in our practice.
Yeah.
I mean, that speaks so much value, right?
Yeah.
To a dentist. I mean,
oh yes. People made hundreds of thousands of dollars here today, you know, in knowledge and what they're going to, just a few little tweaks, a little bit of secrets that I've learned over the years and that I get to share with them. And it's not always big, gigantic overhaul. Sometimes it's just a little thing that's falling through the crack. We did a whole session on leaks, where the leaks are, and everyone self-diagnosed the leaks. And I got to see the results. And, you know, these things can be plugged up.
Yeah.
And that's revenue leaking, you know?
Yeah, I mean, the hands-on aspect of it, you know, because I've been to conferences where you sit there and you listen, right? And then you leave and you're kind of like, what do I do with all this information? Right? But I felt like where you really shined was giving the audience like a hands-on kind of feel to it.
Yeah, and it's fun. It's more fun. And they got stuff to take home with their notes, with their projects on it. Thank you for that, because I feel like that's where I engage best. And I got to walk around and see them working in their groups and see them working in their huddles and just interact on a much more close and personal level. And then they got something they could take home. Yeah. I think this was a win. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no, thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing your years of knowledge with our audience. I mean, look, you know, one of the best things that we try to do here at DOMA Academy Live is we try to bring the best speakers, right? Those who have years of knowledge to share, who have something to give back to the dental world. And you know, you did an amazing job with that. The audience loved it. They were engaged. And I learned some new things too.
Okay.
You know, I mean, I heard you talking about the AI, you know, AI is a big thing. So, you know, a lot of practices are not fully on top of the whole AI thing. And I think what you shared on how practitioners are getting paid using AI is something that was a tremendous benefit, and the audience was really receptive and they learned a lot.
I agree. That was one of the highlights for sure. And I think they could all see that we're not trying to replace you with AI. It augments you and makes you a lot more efficient, allows you to do a lot more and turn back to your patients. It needs a human. You know, but it just makes a human better.
I mean, we all need humans in the practice. So again, Monica, thank you so much for being here at DOMA Academy Live in Dallas.
Thank you.
And guys, I would love to see you attend our next event, which is going to be March 20th, 2026, here in Dallas, Texas, at the Dental Education Center. Hope to see you there. Take care.